make sure you watch the video to the very end, because we're going to tell you how you can enter to win this MegaXMar Jump Starter. We're going to be sending this to one of our subscribers. So stay tuned to the very end. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a portable jump starter to jumpstart your vehicle in the event you have a dead battery. Let me tell you, I remember a day, this is just proof that technology has come a long way. I remember a day where these didn't exist. I'm old enough to remember that. And do you all remember when we had to carry these jumper cables? When you first started driving, you know, you were taught and trained to keep a pair of these in your trunk in your vehicle in the event your battery dies or somebody else's battery dies, to get you out of jam. But these can still get the job done. But let me tell you, this device right here can do it as well. And it's portable. It fits in a case like this. And I bought multiple ones of these and keep it in our vehicles. And as my children start driving, stash it in their vehicle, show them how to use it. So if they're in a jam, they can get themselves out of it. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on the MegaXMar Jump Starter. And I'm going to take you through the steps on how to use it properly in order to jumpstart your vehicle. Let's dive right in. So we have the MegaXMar Jump Starter. We've just opened it up out of the box. If you want to go take a look at the unboxing, we'll drop a card here. We'll drop a card up here somewhere, and we'll also leave a link to the video down below. So let's go ahead and open it up. So first thing we want to do is charge this device. So let's go ahead and get it out of the packaging. Turn it on. See, we have a 46% battery life. In order to jumpstart your vehicle, you need at least 20%, but we're going to go ahead and fully charge this device before we use it. Inside of your pouch, you should have a USB-C charging cable right here. So what we're going to do is locate on the side of your device, you should have a USB-C port, which is the top one right here. Let's plug that in. This device does not come with a wall mount, a wall plug. You'll have to provide this on your own. So I'm just going to plug this in here. So now we've got our device here. Let's go ahead and plug it into the wall. So we've got it plugged in, and you see now it's flashing to indicate that it's now charging, and you'll also see a green in icon. That means that the device has detected that there is the cable is plugged in on the side here. The USB input is plugged in. So let's let this charge, and once it gets up to 100%, we'll be right back. So we let the device charge overnight, and as you can see now, it is fully charged. So I'm here now at my 2003 Ford Expedition. This vehicle has been sitting for a while and the battery is dead. So this makes for a good test subject for our jump starter. So let me show you that this battery is in fact dead or low. I got my multimeter here. Just gonna remove the positive terminal cap, put our meter on DC volts, and let's go to the negative side, positive side. A fully charged battery should be at 12.6 volts, and we're at 9.35 volts as shown on our multimeter. So I'm inside the vehicle now. Again, just to show you that this battery is dead, I'm gonna try to start it. Nothing. So we got a dead battery. Let's use our MegaXMar to get this thing jumped off. We'll be right back. Now let's go ahead and hook up the terminal here. Hook up the MegaXMar battery charger. We're gonna connect it to You go here where it says engine start, pull that back, and let's plug this in here. And you see that LED is flashing. LED flashing indicates that this has been plugged in, so let's go ahead and do this. Got the unit turned on. So positive to positive. And we're gonna connect the negative to a good ground. So I'm gonna come over here to this side right here. Connect it. So that battery, if you see that light now, it's steady, which means we can go ahead and try to start the vehicle. So let's go ahead and do that now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today as we use the MegaXMR Jump Starter to jumpstart our Ford Expedition that's been sitting for a while. If you're interested in picking up this product, I'll drop some links down in the description below. If you want to learn more about this product, we did an unboxing not too long ago. I'll drop a card right here and put a link in the description if you want to learn more about this product. Thank you so much for watching the video. For those of you who have subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Just to let you know how much we appreciate you, we're actually going to be giving away this MegaXMR Jump Starter to one of our subscribers. In order to register to win this, number one, subscribe to the channel. Do that. If you haven't done that, do that right now. Number two, drop me a comment down below and give me your favorite number or whatever number you want to do between 1 and 100. So drop a comment down below, give me your favorite number between 1 and 100. Once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be giving this away. So I'll go through the comments, do a random draw. Whoever I pick out, I'll reach out to you, and we'll get this mailed to you, compliments of the channel. So thank you so much for supporting this channel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, hit that subscribe button and click that bell so anytime we drop a new video, you'll be the first to know. Hit that like button and leave me some comments. I'd love to hear from you. If you're interested in any of the products we used in today's video, we'll leave some links down below. Hope you have an awesome day, and thanks for watching.